Watch my speed.
You almost hit that dog.
This really is a waste of everybody's...
Ah, look out, another deer.
That's the same deer. Brad, I don't see how this is going to help me in a real go-kart.
Okay, fine. You've got good instincts, which I obviously taught you. And as much as it pains me to say this, you've earned your license.
Place now, sucker. Thank you, Daddy. West Meadowbrook, represent. There's gonna be some changes around here. Beep, 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 beep. Starting with the height requirement, which means you can't drive a go-kart.
If you're here, I'm not. See ya.
Even if it could drive, I'd still be the fastest one on the track. Right, guys? Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I would definitely be. Patowski, we race.
On your track? Not interested. Have fun in your daddy's toy box.
Older Patowski, get over here.
Yes, my honor?
We got a new rule up in here. No Patowskis allowed. That means...
No, please. This is my calling. My one true place in the world. No, not the keys.
You're fired.
No one can make me.
All right, Gordy, we'll race. And when I win, you give my brother his job back. Kick?
You do that for me?
Nobody messes with my big brother.
Yeah, well, I totally race you and win, except you don't have a license. Zippity-doo, Dad.
Oh, yes, he does.
Fine, we race. I handpicked your cart, Lose-towski. Starting line, 1 minute. West Meadowbrook. Ooh. Hey, Shortowski, need a ladder?
CS scan. Auto course navigation activated.
Come on.
Opponent approaching.
What the hell? Oh, no, he did.
Apply brake.
Get up and straighten me out.
Trajectory corrected.
It's about time. Computer, switch to cheat mode.
Switching to cheat mode.
Yay, Bernie.
I got skills, they're multiplying. Huh? Oh, come on, there's no way anybody can drive that. Computer, off-road mode. no way you'll pass me now. Stupid turbo.
Sorry, Sonny. You came up short, and on second thought, tell your daddy the deal is off. I ain't selling my track.
Stupid car. Stupid computer.
Stupid driver.
Such great driving. Such natural instinct.
Thanks, girls. But my big brother taught me everything I know. All right, Brad. Now you got your job back.
Huh? I'm not going back to that lame job.
But you're calling.
The only thing calling me are the babes. Thanks, bro. What do you say we go for a drive?